All right, we got the different modes in here. We got one on the top, but we're gonna switch it around. And of course, we got a remote control in here, so we're gonna go ahead and switch it, and we're gonna remote control one at a time. So today, we're gonna actually bring some lighting for your car, and this has 14 different effects. We're gonna open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. The vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get. You get the actual manual here. You get two LED lights. You get the actual back end where the actual double-sided tape that they stick in the back of it. You get alcohol wipes to make sure you wipe that center up so you can actually set it up. And you get Velcro so you could just take them off, easily to take them off. And I would suggest put the metal pieces in here to actually keep the metal permanent there, and then take one of the Velcros off and marry them. So very simple, easy. They give you Velcro or metallic magnets and or double-sided tape to actually hook up to these. And if you guys notice, there is a magnet in the back, and they easily hook up. So it could be underneath your car or anywhere. You can line it up and set it up. So of course you get your control. All right. You get your power adapter to power them both at the same time. You can actually power it up, and basically batteries built in here, but lasts you many hours. So you could charge it up easily with two connections. So we're gonna do that right now. And then they give you, of course, more wipes and more Velcro. These are actually coasters for your car, and they come, like, if you guys notice, they give them to you as an extra incentive, and they have little diamonds in there. Pretty neat, pretty awesome little device. So that's a plus that they give you a little gift here. So we'll put this on the side. All right, so what you need to do is this side end comes off as a USB. If you guys get a type A connection, so that's where you actually charge it. So prior to that, make sure you charge it. But to turn it on, easy. There's one mode, and if you guys can see it, there's lasers on there. We're gonna turn off the light so you guys can see a little bit better. All right, so simple to use. You turn it on. One light button's on, and the other one's to change the different modes. If you guys can see, we're gonna put it here together. We're gonna change the mode, flash modes, different music. When you audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could be listening to music at the same time. It'll be changing the LEDs lights, change the different modes. This one actually pretty much just changes automatically. It has 14 different modes. Of course, it has all the colors. See, I changed the colors on that. And we got some more. So let's go ahead and put this to use. All right, let's take a look at the inside of the car. Look at this. I just put it right above it right now, and it looks phenomenal. So we're gonna go ahead and control it. Beautiful lighting underneath the actual passenger seat on the passenger side. The light, I just put above it so it could light up the whole steering wheel and everything in here. So it can look like you're having a party here in here. Change the modes. If you want extra light, you could just turn on the lighting part. See how I just did the lighting Jeep right there? We're gonna go ahead and switch it around again. The other lighting part, we're gonna put different modes, 14 modes, all right? There's the laser modes. And look at this, all over the car. Change a different mode. Test, test, test. So right now we have it with the audio. If you guys notice, test 1, 2, 3, test, 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 1, 2, 3, test, test, 1, 2, 3, test, 1, 2, 3, test, test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can have music bumping in here and have your own party.